Kama Mumbezi nombo wazi. Suke ethene hluhluwe. Ngifikela ku-Pirates ngidlala eDurban Engine. La ngibhalela ngasuka khona ngasuke ngithi ngapha ku-Pirates MTC. Ngoba ku-Pirates first team ngidlala i-left centre back. Ukusebenza kwami ngiphusha la engisuka khona. Ngithe nami ngithola ithuba lokuthi la ngizothola khona amaseko ukuthi ngathi ngisekhaya beka akukho right ngabona ukuthi leli thuba ngizothola kumele ngisebenzise ukuze ngicela isilungisile isimo sasekhaya. Into enkulu engiphushayo kakhulu ukuthi lo muntu engishiyo uwona ekhaya angifuni mase ngiphinde ngibuye sekanjeya. Ukukhula kwami akubanga lula mhlampe manje yikho nami endlela mangithola umsebenzi ngobambe ngale ndlela engibambe ngayo manje benasekhaya mina ngabatshela ukuthi ayish mina ngifuna ukudlala ibhola manje bekunzima vele nasekhaya to understand ukuthi ngidlala ibhola izinto zokudlala bekuye kube nzima ukuthi sithole lezo zinto besizwa i-team ukuthi besinike abadala mabebuyile beshiya makhokho mabeqeda ukudlala thina besiqhoye enyaweni encane besingatholi lutho bedlala ngazinyawo nje kasi sidlalela maba khona abangani bami aba-300 phila nabo sonke uma ngama-tournament yezinye izinto lezo ezenza ukuthi sikhulise and futhi zisakhe nathi ukuthi uma ngiyaleya team leya bangine u-50 ukuthi ngibuye ngizothenga into yokugcoba la ekhaya-ke vele ngicela kubona abantu abadala ngesisho ukuthi i-team mayiwinile siyathola sikutholayo kodwa nathi uma siphumile siyazi ukuthi vele masiphuma kumele siyosebenzela ukuthi ngempela siyayithola lento esiyifunayo ngoba kwakungekho lula kuthina ukuthi sidlale ibhola and futhi kufeze izinto esiyifunayo.
My name is Khalil. I'm from Chicago. This is the picture of my hopefully future wife. For those who don't know, I have a daughter, my daughter and my mom. For me, it's still great. It's my mom, yeah, because she has always been there. She has always been used from the start, from the custodians. Yeah, it's a problem to use. Yeah, I think she's the one who keeps me motivated because we grew up in a traditional house and we're very unfortunate. We don't have anything. So I think when I look at it and where we come from, I think that the thing is motivated and keep it going.
I am mobile like a scooter evident one home. Nanso in Bush House, young Pamata, no representative from Tiana. I want to give you something. So, and tell you what we want to maybe I'll go to also ask us what I mean because yes, I have not followed so don't listen about and being pushy. Kihono maybe or life I have different I follow your school sharp. So maybe and got back probably disappointing to Sora with profile channel so into one okay I think I know I want to hear.
Good evening, James. My name is Nkosinati Masvisi. I come from a small township. That is performing. For me, one sentimental item that I have. Actually, I have around my wristband. It's this one. Whenever I look at it, it reminds me of home. It keeps me motivated. It reminds me of who I am, where I'm coming from, and where I'm going. So for me, this is precious. That's why I always fight with referees whenever they want to take it off because it means a lot to me. It carries the whole family. to say wherever I am, there they will be. So for me, this is something sacred and something special. Thanks.
My name is Oswin Apollos from Cape Town, Bishop Lavis. Grew up living with my mother, my granny, and my little brother. Around the neighborhood I came from, it was very difficult growing up there. I don't have a very sentiment now, but my granny has played a big part in motivating me in my career, I think in 2020 or 2021, I didn't have a club. I was without a club for 7 to 8 months. I went back to Cape Town. At that point, my job was always to help back home because there was times there was nothing. And then SuperSport came knocking. And then they gave me a contract that I showed my mother. So my mother said, I know you're young, but this contract helps the whole family. You have to go. The moment leaving to SuperSport at a young age actually opened my eyes, coming into the Joburg life. Because at the time I was staying at the clubhouse, then I didn't want to stay at the clubhouse after a year and a half because I felt like, let me go out. And then my mother was always fighting with me and telling me, don't go, stay there. But at that point, I just wanted freedom to come outside. And then me and 2 friends started staying together. Obviously, there's times we go out and then you meet girls and I would fly my friends to Joburg. Because at that time I was 17, 18. And then make reckless decisions with money. And then I ended up leaving SuperSport. I just decided to go oil. Like I just left. And the day I went back to my family is that the day I came in the door, they told me, I told you you're gonna learn the hard way. So I wasn't playing football for 6 months. And then when I got home, my first word was to me, go through your phone, find any coach you know, try to call or message anyone you can get. You going back to go playing football because there's nothing for you at all. You will just turn out like all the other boys that grew up in our area because it's very dangerous. To be honest, I would say 60% yes, that I would have been doing wrong things because I grew up seeing everything and it was not a nice experience because growing up my father was a gangster, so people always thought that I would also become a gangster, and that's because I was very naughty. And my mother always believed that I will never become my father. So I have a lot to say, but I'm just grateful that my granny always stood up for me, and always wanted what's right for me. And this is for her. Thank you.
Nina into yathi yangimotivate kakhulu ngingawoledi ngithanda esathi la oledi into engimthatha kakhulu ukuthi uma wavele lingasathi into angibona kwasesikoleni but yasale isikhathi sami ngaphethe oledi lento lefuna ngiyenze angiboni ngomsiza nayo into yangisiza ngibona ngifisa nami ngidlale ibhola ngikwazi ukuthi so lokho kungenza ngiqhubeke ngiphushe konzweza ngimecwenza phela ngiyakuzwa ukuthi awufuni but-ke cela at least uqede isikole noma uyaqhubeka nebhola ngathi hayi lokhu akwenza
Ya, ibhola into engikhule ngiyithanda sengisasomntana vele. Cause bengafika i-professional level, bengidlala ideki every weekend. Esadingeka ithanga, ungomotivateayo ukuthi naye vele ithanga elikhule bedlala ibhola uma ngizwa benjela. Abangani bami ukuthi hayi thina kumele iplan. So lokho kuyangi-motivate ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi angishilo ithalente lakhe naye. Futhi I think uhappy lapho ukuthi nami ngene ngikwazi ukuthi ngisho Orlando Pirates cause since sisebancane ne-football umfana so twitch ubethi ekuyindaweni zakhe sharp njalo wasithathe sihambe esitolo adala amabhakani yami la mancane lawo ngithanda ibhasketball lokubaba so lokho ngawuthi ujawule kakhulu kunami wasijoyina ukuthi ngikhalethe.
Hayi igama lami Uyanela Mbuthuma, ngisuka eDurban, eLamontville, bengihlala nogogo. Unobese isithombe sengigqugquzelayo nje sagogo. Abazali bami bangishiya nogogo ngisemncane. Kahle kahle bangilahla naye nje bathi ngiyibonele sibonele nogogo. Angaziwa inkinga ukuthi bangishiyela but bangishiya la ugogo, ngakhuliswa yena ugogo. Ukuhlala kwami nogogo, ugogo ubengitshela ngabazali esho ukuthi yimi umzali wakho namhlanje, yimi engizokwenzela yonke into njengoba ukhula nje uzokhula yimi uma wakho yena ubaba wakho, kodwa bakhona bona abazali. So ugogo abengipusha khona sesikoleni ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngifunde but engifuna ukwenza ngizokwenza mase ngiqedile isikole. So ngakwenza lokho ngigcine nami sengithola promoter ngithi enkulu ePirates. So iyona ndlela lena eyenza kwami ukuthi ugogo lebe engipusha qhubeka kakhulu. So ngiphushe kakhulu first season, ngaphusha second season, ngiphusha nje nogogo engitshela ukuthi hayi sebenza yona thuba leli akumele ulisebenzise for ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi siphile. Ngathi no, it's fine gogo, mina ngizokwenza konke. And ugogo ngamyekisa yonke into kube ebephanda ngayo, ngamyekisa ngathi hayi gogo, njengamanje kwase ngiyasebenza, usungayeka ukuthi wenze zonke lezi zinto lezi yabo. Njengenza ukuthi ngizizwa kanjena. Ukusokola ekhaya kakhulu yabo. Nami ngihlala nogogo phela, ngekho bhuti besemakhaya vele abazali bami. So sami nogogo zole kakhulu njengoba ngithola amathuba mangaka ukuthi ngidlala i-team enkulu nje, ngijabule kakhulu because nami sengizokhona ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ugogo abone nawe ukuthi abe proud yabo.